Bruce sees all.
Hi everyone, Bruce here. Bonjour tout le monde. So we're on the surface again. Yeah, of that beautiful moon that's right next to Earth, closer than we possibly even think. Tycho crater, that white crater in the center. Look at the light that's in the crater. We're going to watch it for a while as we're progressing over to the left. Analyze some certain features. There's many of you telling me and asking me all the time if you ever see any square-based objects, it's black and they're white towers. A lot of you tell me, and I do see a lot of them. There's even one right now in the image as we're moving by, and we'll take a look at it. Continue to look at this light, and at one point, I'm going to keep looking at the light. Don't worry about the tower or towering object. And again, because of the optical illusion, they say some objects that are towering look like they are lying down on the surface, and that's what we're going to possibly see upcoming to the left there. I'm sure some of you have already seen what I'm talking about. That sort of white object, a line, looks towering, could be lying down right there. But you often see them, and you see the black center there, and as these things go inside, whatever they may be, these lines. These are not seen everywhere on the internet, and we're not talking about UFOs right here between Earth and the moon. We're talking about UFOs on the surface of the moon or over the surface of the moon in the moon's atmosphere. These are lights defying gravity, moving from left to right. Notice the intensity of this light. It also shot out projectiles. So let's take a look at that. The projectiles are just outside of the circle there, and watch the light. Little details that obviously when we're looking at the footage fast or regular speed, of course, it is fast because we got the oscillation. It's disturbing us. Your eyes always forever trying to focus on something, and basically our cone cells cannot. Look at this line here leaving Copernicus crater. And again, we're along the Terminator line. It's that black line as the moon phase progresses, gives us lots of signs of elevation. Well, it's not signs, it's there. We see, look, do you see the oblique view, how we're looking at Copernicus crater, how it looks offset? Well, that's the Terminator line at the back there interfering with it. Somehow gives us a chance to glance under the veil. Now, what would you think this is, and what do you think is occurring? If you don't want to call it a UFO, some of you, all right, well, what is it? It could be natural, absolutely. It sure doesn't look it, though. Watch the intensity of light, how everything gets clear, and this other little object going to that light. Very intriguing, and always these little mystical events that happen all over the surface. It's just, I don't know, terrifyingly beautiful because you wonder what they are. We were told there was nothing up there, whether it was for our protection or not. Well, sorry, but I just found something up there. That's without a doubt for me anyways. And these lights are interacting. They're lighting up the surface. There's projectiles or illuminated objects coming to and from these supposed UFOs, whatever you want to call them. They are UFOs. They're unidentified flying objects. Fires on the surface of the moon. We see electrical fires on the surface of the moon. Blues, red, fires. It looks like red fires. Here's a nice close-up view of areas where we see many, let's just say anomalies or objects or structures that are side by side. And you'll see that as the video progresses. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you for liking this video and taking the time to subscribe and sharing it on other platforms.
Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. And they're mining. Really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. If there's fire. Really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. And they may be coming soon.
This is Houston. Say again, please.